Hey everyone, Andy Raffel from eTeknix.com, and I know this year has been an absolute it's been crazy if you want to get hold of a GPU. And then when you do actually get hold of one, well, the prices have just been insane. So today, I'm going to give you an opportunity to win one. Let's do this. So this just arrived on my door from AMD. It's a Radeon 6600 XT Red Devil from PowerColor. Basically, AMD reached out to me the other day and they said, Andy, we've got a GPU just laying around doing nothing. How would you like it to give away? So I turned around straight away and said, this is like a Christmas miracle, because this year has been terrible for getting hold of GPUs. It's been an absolute nightmare. So we're actually going to give someone the opportunity to win a GPU just in time for Christmas. I mean, is there a better gift out there? Obviously, when it comes to giveaways, there are a few things that I need to go through, because whenever I seem to run them, you always get the same sort of thing. You get the serial spammers, you get the people who are butthurt when they don't win and call it a fix and stuff like that. So let's go through a few things in terms of that while we look at the card as well. Card itself, it's a Radeon 6600 XT. It's the Red Devil from PowerColor. We've got a 2 and a bit slot card. We've got 3 display ports and a HDMI. We've got a fairly chunky large heatsink on there and a metal backplate. We've got what looks to be some light bars for RGB and 2 large fans. 6 and an 8-pin power connector, and that's pretty much it. So your standard 6600 XT. It is kind of, you know, on the top end of the 6600 XT being a Red Devil, so there is that. I think anyone's going to be happy with this. Gaming at 1080p, 1440p to a certain degree in certain games and certain settings. Either way, someone's going to win it. Who can win it? Anyone can win this. It is open 100% completely worldwide. And the funny thing is, even if I say that, I guarantee in the comment section below, someone's going to be like, does it ship worldwide? It's just one of them things always happens. It does ship worldwide, but there are a few caveats with that. If you live in a country that giveaways are prohibited, are illegal, which does actually happen, it's weird, I know, then obviously we can't ship there. If you have any customs and duties and stuff like that, we will ship the card to you no matter what country you're in, based on my previous statement. But if there are customs and duties and things like that, you are responsible for that. Other than that, we typically used Gleam in the past, which would give you entries on Twitter and Facebook and TikTok and all sorts of different social media platforms. It's a good way of doing it, but I just kind of feel like we don't need Gleam to do it. So instead, there is going to be, and I will link to all of this down below, there's going to be a Facebook post, there's going to be a Twitter post, Instagram post, TikTok, even this video, we can use this as one of the ways of entry. It is in your best interest to basically go onto all these different platforms and put hashtag Christmas 6600 XT giveaway eTeknix. Let's just go with that. We'll put it down below in the description so you don't forget. But put that onto the comments on the post on Facebook, the same on Twitter, down in the comments section below here. And what we will do is we will count how many different social media platforms we've got. They'll all be listed below in the description. We will then go on to random.org. We will put in 1 to 7 or however many platforms it is. That will then pick what social media platform we're going to pick the winner for. So it is definitely in your best interest to go on as many different platforms that we are on and, you know, put the entry using the hashtag. Then we'll count the entries on there. We'll then go back to random.org, put the numbers in again, and basically pick someone by random. Gonna run this for 7 days. So today is the 13th of December. We're gonna run this for 7 days. So it will end at midnight on the 20th of December, which in theory, what we then do is reach out to whoever the person is, you know, whether that be on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok. We will try and get hold of you. If you don't respond, we obviously go it, you know, and push it over to the next person. We give you like 24 hours to respond, because we want to get this in the hands of someone before Christmas, because I honestly think that would be the best perfect kind of Christmas gift that anyone could have. We do also want to get it into the hands of a gamer, someone who's going to appreciate it, someone who's going to actually be using it. They're not going to try and scalp it. They, you know, not one of these people who go, I don't even know what it is, what does it do? Because we get that all the time. On Twitter, you see these serial scalpers who literally they could enter our giveaway and then the next one down is a washing machine, then a hamper, and then this, and then that. We don't want them sort of people. So we will eradicate them. We will try and, you know, filter out fake accounts and stuff like that, because we want it to go to someone who's going to appreciate it, who is a gamer. Even on Discord, we're going to have a channel for that. So we've already created the channel and everything. Head on over to there. There's more info on there, but everything will be down in the description below so you guys can sort of follow it with ease instead of having to rewatch this video. That's the whole point of it. I want to get a GPU out to someone for Christmas who's going to appreciate it, and basically it's going to make their Christmas. So huge thank you to AMD for setting this up. I'm sure Power Color had potentially something to do with it as well, but this is the exact card that you're going to win. And I'll also chuck in an eTeknix PC maintenance toolkit. If you haven't got one already, you can get them over on store.eteknix.com. Everything you need to build, repair, and maintain your PC. But I'll chuck one of them in as well because, you know, if you're going to put a new GPU in your system, maybe you're going to need a screwdriver to undo some screws, right? There you have it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and Merry Christmas, good luck, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later, guys.